This is a room tour of the Business Inn in Ottawa. As soon as you walk in the room, there's a vacuum on the wall. There's a mirror. There's a mat for your shoes. There's some artwork. Still a big corner. Some information about the hotel. There's breakfast included. There's a free laundry room and a gym. The door's right there. My luggage is there, and I still have lots of room to stand here. Then you go in, and there is a full kitchen, fridge, oven, tea, coffee. There is cups and plates here. And then this is a ground floor room. So all of these curtains are windows. They do have these curtains and then these blinds. I don't like it because it's nighttime right now, but this is right in downtown and it is very busy. So if you want to keep the blinds open, there's no privacy. Then there's a dining area here. I don't like the position of it because you can't eat and watch TV. But that's okay. There's a closet with the ironing board and a dresser in there. And then it's a very big room. The bed's very big. They have a clock on the wall there. They also have, I think this is a charging station. There's some plugs there and some plugs there. So that's good. And then they have a little living area here. They also have a alarm clock and a white noise machine. There are two of these units in the room. I've turned them off. Heating, cooling units. They also have a desk, computer, printer, everything that you need. I've kept this unit on because it seems to be working the best. And then TV area, and then the bathroom also has everything that you would need. They've got a little mirror, they've got cups, they've shampoo, makeup wipes, everything. There's a bath, shower, towels on the rack. So it's a nice room. Just the ground floor room, I only paid about $110 on a Saturday night for this. So the ground floor rooms are the cheaper rooms. They do have nicer ones on the higher floors.